Isn't science just mind-blowing? Each day, researchers unravel new mysteries of the universe. On this YouTube channel, we've shared some of these groundbreaking revelations. After a full-on month of sharing these gems, it was time to take a step back and delve into the analytics. I've sifted through the data, ranking these short videos by the ratio of likes to views, to uncover which breakthroughs truly captivated you. Then, I plan to prepare a longer video focusing on the most popular short video, and we'll do this every month, so don't forget to hit the like button and comment on the ones you want to hear more. Today, we're diving into the top 5 discoveries of October, ready to provide deeper insights and feedback, to share the unseen details that couldn't fit into the short clips, while also reflecting on what resonated and what fell flat. If you have not seen all of our video, this will also be a good opportunity to discover the best ones. So buckle up, we're about to embark on an exhilarating science exploration. Without further ado, at number 5, we have Mars Quake, Insight's Final Wonder. Mars, the red planet, quakes mysteriously. A silent sentinel on the Martian surface, NASA's InSight lander detects a large tremor. It might be meteorite hit. An international team of scientists, larger than any before, springs into action. They scour the planet's surface, hunting for a fresh crater, a sign of impact. But Mars holds its secrets close. No new crater found after months of searching. Scientists are forced to concede their mistake. It might have been a tectonic activity. The InSight lander is dying now, and many mysteries remains. Kicking off the countdown at number 5, this video stands out by its story-driven approach. Rather than featuring research from the high-profile journals like Nature or Science that usually take the spotlight, this video shines a light on a more specialized piece of work published in Geophysical Research Letters. I'm really glad to see that I can make a video of a little more niche article, and that it can still be appreciated by a broad audience. A niche story maybe, but it's a captivating tale of seismic activity on Mars, detected by the late InSight lander. Though this time it wasn't a meteorite causing the ripples, I would like to mention that InSight did pick up meteorite crashes in the past. During its short life, the lander also unearthed other fascinating data, for example, revealing that Mars's liquid metal core is smaller than previously thought. This could have been another nice video, but there are so many important discoveries that I often have to make difficult decisions on what to focus on. Next up at number 4 is putting quantum field theory to the test. Feynman once called quantum electrodynamics the greatest success in the physical sciences. It predicts all light and matter's electrical and magnetic interactions. After years of efforts, its experimental validity in extreme cases was recently tested by scientists who created a cloud of 100,000 tin ions, each bearing a charge of 49 plus. This meant that only one electron remained per atom, kicking the other 49, and inducing extreme electric fields of a quadrillion volts per centimeter. Amazingly, the behavior of these ions corroborated the theory, marking another victory for quantum field theory, standing strong even after a century. The original research article that behind this video, published in Nature, also opens with a nod to Richard Feynman. I found it so attention-grabbing that I decided to also start in a similar fashion. It's a straight-to-the-point piece, but the real challenge that I think I failed a little was conveying the complexity of preparing and characterizing a tin 49 plus sample. I did put the schematic of the experiment in the middle of the video, but I don't think it is enough. Despite this, it's a story that's well worth telling. If the video were more popular, and that you ask for it, I could dive deeper into it. But this is just our number 4. Let's move to number 3. Tandem solar cells revolution. For over 50 years, we've relied on silicon solar cells, but they've nearly hit their performance peak. So how can we capture even more sunlight? Enter the realm of tandem solar cells, where perovskite and silicon unite to revolutionize solar energy. Silicon excels at absorbing near-infrared light, but what about the rest of the spectrum? Enter perovskite, the new star material that's been under scientific scrutiny for the past few years. It's adept at harvesting the rest of the visible light. However, optimizing this combination proved to be a challenge. Fortunately, a recent research article reported a convincing case for this technology, with a power conversion efficiency of over 32%. That's significantly superior to the 26% offered by traditional silicon cells. This record performance is due to an ingeniously engineered design featuring an ultra-thin, transparent conductive oxide. This is just the beginning. Stay tuned to witness the dawn of a new era in solar technology. This video is one of the only few where I end up with the like and subscribe call to action. This is usually the first thing I cut off if I want to make the video shorter. This video is already 59 seconds long and the maximum is 1 minute, so maybe I should have cut it. But it was one of the first videos and the channel needs to grow, so I kept it. Regarding the science here, I definitely did not dive too deep, but photovoltaics and in particular perovskite solar cells are such a hot topic that I am sure I will have other opportunity to talk about it more. There is a very exciting race to increase the power conversion efficiency, and many high-profile articles frequently published. So you will hear about this topic again soon. In the meantime, let's move to the second most popular video on the channel, entitled "This Radio Burst Traveled 8 billion years to reach us." 8 billion years ago, two galaxies collided far, far away and emitted a fast radio burst. Just few millisecond-long pulses flying on extragalactic journey. The burst had a long and bumpy ride, knocking into hot plasma along the way. But finally, it reached our telescopes in Australia, Hawaii and Chile for the greatest joy of our best scientists in the field. This is the most well-traveled fast radio burst ever detected. The burst's age took researchers by surprise, existing half the universe's lifetime ago. We didn't even know that radio bursts could form that far back in time. It is also unexpectedly powerful, defying previous energy estimations and theories. The appeal of this video lies in its storytelling, with the scientific details saved for the grand finale. I remember I was really excited to make this video because this is such a major scientific breakthrough that challenged existing theories and was picked up by hundreds of news outlets. A global effort leading to a world record observation which put all previous theory into question. This is indeed a compelling story. This is why I love scientific research, and I'm glad you loved it too. And finally, the moment we've all been waiting for, the #1 video on the channel, the mystery of Oxygen-28. In the fascinating realm of quantum science, researchers have achieved a groundbreaking feat with the first ever observation of Oxygen-28, a neutron-rich isotope. This isn't your everyday oxygen, ladies and gentlemen. It's a unique, heavier variant with an additional layer of neutrons that orbits the nucleus at a considerable distance. The experiment was conducted at the Riken Nishina Center for Accelerator-Based Science, a world-renowned research center in Japan. What makes this discovery so intriguing? The current theories predicted that this isotope should be stable, as its composition belongs to the so-called doubly magic nuclei number. But unexpectedly, Oxygen-28 did not appear to be stable as it decays rapidly. Although it sounds like a failed experiment, this result is actually very exciting for scientists. It means there is still a lot to discover. This could provide crucial insights into how elements form in the universe. Okay, I have to admit a little lie here. This video was posted on September 25th, so technically I should not put it as the top of October. But because the channel just started in September, there were just a couple of videos in September, and I'm not going to do a best of September. Especially as this video got almost no views in the first few days. Indeed, it took 8 days to see a spike in the view numbers. I'm not so sure why, as the YouTube algorithm is quite mysterious, but I'm very glad it took off. So I hope you will agree that it is fair to count this video with the October's videos. You can also see that it is one of my earliest videos, as the subtitle style is totally different. Let me know if you actually prefer this style, but I changed it to the faster paced black on white, because this is what is more popular on Shorts and TikTok. Regarding the scientific breakthrough in this video, I will dive into it in more details in a separate video coming very soon, probably next Thursday, so be sure to subscribe. I will also make one other video about my own favorite video of October, which did not make it into this short list, but that I think deserves more attention. This will be next week, so again, be sure to subscribe. See you soon.